In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Just Dance on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find and acquire Just Dance for your PlayStation 5. You will be able to do this if you want to follow along on the PlayStation website at playstation.com or directly through your console if you prefer. All that you have to do is visit either the website or go over to the PlayStation Store directly on your console, and by using the search function located on the navigation bar at the top, you will be able to look for Just Dance and you will see plenty of options pop up. Now, most of these are going to be expansions for the games. If you want to be sure, you can look by the price. So usually, the main Just Dance titles are going to be $60 off sale. You can find these expansion packs for $2 or even $3, and some of these are going to be free. You also have the option to play a demo, so if you aren't sure if you want to acquire the game, just play the demo, see if you like it, and if you are satisfied, you will be able to purchase it later. So right now on the results, we have Just Dance 2024 edition and 2023. You can choose whichever one you prefer. Most of these are going to have different editions. So as you can see, we have the standard edition, which is just the standard game, and then we have stuff like the deluxe edition and the ultimate edition. You have add-ons, so they have Just Dance Plus, which will include more tracks and more options to play, and all that you have to do here is choose the option to purchase the game. So add the game to your cart, proceed to checkout, and you will be able to get it added to your PlayStation account. Afterwards, you just have to download the game digitally and you will be good to go. Now, I am unsure if this game was released physically, but if it was, you will also be able to find it in a lot of retailers, and you just have to plug the disc if you have a PlayStation 5 with a disc reader, and you will also be able to play that way. Choose whichever edition you prefer, and you will be good to go to play Just Dance on your PlayStation 5. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Just Dance on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.